telegraph that just a little bit.
Yeah, I just said how he did it. I just can't believe he did it.
That's it. That's why he's good.
Yeah, I do remember that. Whip through. It's just right there. Yeah. Yeah. That's the key.
Carol, I'll give you one if you're looking.
Oh!
You got one coming.
I can do a couple with you. And I'm running them kind of waiting for you too. But that's fine.
You got your little break.
You touched it? I don't know what happened. I felt. Did you hit me with the tip of your sword?
No, you were running away. You were moving back.
Okay.
You clipped it. It looked like you clipped it a little bit too, I thought, but
I'm sorry, what?
it looked like you clipped it a little bit, Matt.
All I felt was the point dig.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, no worries.
Maybe I should take the opportunity instead of you.
Good. Put the arm up front.
Although with your hand-eye coordination,
Nope. Not quite.
two people with hand-eye coordination just can really reach out and get a guy with that thrust. And almost anywhere. I like it.
Good.
Want to go over here a little bit? Or? He's filming here. I didn't want to run him away.
No, you're good, guys. No worries.
You hit me right here. No, because you were aiming for right here. I think you could have hit me here if you were aiming for that. Does that make sense? If that shot's open, go for the body. You thought about throwing it to the leg. I think you could have just got that kill. Yeah.
Hey, that's okay.
Now I break a thing.